Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So if you grew up in the 90s, most likely you're aware and you've listened to Lil Bow Wow. You know, he's this young rapper, he's 12, 13 years old at the time. Very kind of clean rap, nothing crazy or anything like that. But anyway, Lil Bow Wow for his time was like the big kid rapper. There really wasn't a Drake out there. We didn't have a Machine Gun Kelly. Is he a rapper anymore? I don't know what's going on with him. But anyway, I thought it would be fun to go back in time and see Lil Bow Wow's house tour from MTV Cribs. So how about this, guys? If that sounds like a good time to you, subscribe, hit the like button, and now with that said, here is his 14,500 square foot mansion.
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Bow Wow. Welcoming y'all to my crib, you know what I mean? Check it out, man. Before I bring y'all inside, I'm gonna show y'all my whips first.
Let's see how old he is in this one. I'm gonna do Lil Bow Wow. I'm gonna do some internet detective work here. Look at this, guys. We're gonna use Google. Lil Bow Wow MTV Cribs. So we're gonna work backwards here. So he was in MTV Cribs in the year 2000. May 4th, wait, no, that's not it. I'm not as good of an internet investigator as I thought. So it was May 24th, 2005. And Lil Bow Wow is... Lil Bow Wow's 35 years old? Where'd the time go? He's 35. God. All right, so he's 18 years old. So now that we got that out of the way, keep in mind we're seeing the house of an 18-year-old who at the time was one of the biggest kid rappers who existed. Anyway.
This is the Bumblebee right here.
So allegedly, he lied about these cars and they were rented. So apparently it's written online that he didn't own any of these cars and they were just put there for the episode. That's not a good look. He's flexing before Instagram though. He's just playing the game here.
My Ferrari 360 Modena. Y'all be pronouncing them Medinas because y'all probably don't got one of these bad boys.
Modena. Yeah, Ferrari Enzo is just rolling in his grave. The Modena. Any
of y'all little Mustangs, y'all little Corvettes, you little Porsches, y'all pull up against this, y'all gonna lose.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I love those older Ferraris. People say they don't like the design of the 360 or the 430. I don't know what it is. I hate the design of the 458. I think it looks like this toy-looking car. These, to me, look aggressive. They have taste. I don't know. I'm just not a huge fan of after the 458, unfortunately, design-wise, performance-wise. But yeah.
We're gonna move it to this black thing right here, which is my baby, my BMW, my 645 black on black.
If you want to buy a good deal on these things, I guess you used to be able to buy these M6s for 20 grand because they were so expensive to repair and they just depreciate. You buy one of these, drive it off the lot, instantly lose 30%. The first 10 minutes. These things just drop like a rock and they're just unreliable.
They smell good too. Let's come in. You smell that? For the ladies, man.
See, he's got a lot of these cars that I looked at when I was 15 years old and was like, oh man, if only I could get a 6 Series BMW, or if I could get a car like this, the SL 550, whatever it might be. These are the cars back then that were the coolest cars to own.
My boy Dion right here, he lived with us. He's my best friend to hold me down since day one. His SL sitting on Longhorns looking real sick.
That was a style back then. It's just, how much chrome could you put on the car? They go to the dealership and they're like, how much chrome do you want? They just answer all of it. Yes. Yes, give me more chrome.
We're gonna holler at Dion in a minute. So right now, we're gonna curve off this way, and I'm gonna take y'all to the main entrance. Right?
They missed the Hummer. Why did they not include the Hummer in there?
Now we in the inside. It's my dog Precious right here. $100, she's just gonna lay down.
That's cute. Imagine a dog just getting up to sit back down again.
We're gonna make our way over here into the living room. An area where I don't spend that much time.
Again, that's the biggest flex, is to have a room in your house that you don't use, that's only for visual purposes. Most houses, yeah, we're gonna use the space, we're gonna make the most of it because space is valuable. For them, it's I don't use this room, don't use that room. Oh yeah, we got another room there, we don't use that. That's when you know you made it.
My mother is so crazy. We can't even walk on the carpet because the carpet is some type of fur.
Wait, is this his parents' house? There's no way he's flexing his parents' house with cars that were rented. I would assume that by 18 he's made enough money to buy this house, right?
You are now in the kitchen where everything goes down. I know I watch cribs, I be seeing the refrigerators and everything, but when y'all see mine, you know, just bear with me, all right? Lots and lots of Gatorade.
Oh, this is so 2000s. Gatorade. Now it would be like, oh, I got Prime in here because Logan Paul sponsored me, and we have Chipotle over here because they sponsored this. Wow, Gatorade. I guess people still drink that.
Turkey sausage, that's all I eat. I don't eat pork, I don't eat beef. This right here is my area, the freezer. I love cooking.
Oh, the mini pizzas. This is basically what I used to eat. Like, after middle school, you come home, you get those frozen pizzas.
This right here is a nice little area right here where we just come and relax at. All right, y'all, so now we're in my mother's room.
Yeah, I guess he lives with his parents, unless he bought the house and his parents live with him, because he's 18 here. It's probably filmed when he was 17. So maybe they're just using some of his money to buy the house and he owns it. I don't know.
Who you talking to?
None of your business.
Better not be no man. It ain't going down. All y'all men out there, it's not going down.
He's trying to imply that his mom shouldn't be dating, because wouldn't you want your mom to be? I don't know. I feel like you want the best for your parents if that means finding a partner who they're happy with. Unless dad is also in the picture. He's like, but mom, you cannot. No dating, mom. That would be a weird situation.
All right, y'all. We upstairs right now. About to take y'all to the prince's throne, which is my room. Ladies, this is what y'all been waiting for.
Yeah, looks like he's got the better room though. So his mom is not in the primary bedroom of the house. I love the black walls. I mean, as you could see, this were the room that I would have loved if I were like 15.
Yes, ladies, that is my bed, okay? And you know it's official. I mean, just look at the wall, man. Bow Wow, man.
Kind of weird to get your name above your bed. I don't know. Maybe this is a 2000s thing.
I didn't want to hang pictures in my room, so I hired an artist to come with airbrush.
That is flexing to the max. Be like, no, I'm not gonna get the Mona Lisa in a frame. No, they're gonna paint it right there.
You better step your game up, man.
Listen, for an 18-year-old guy, this is the cleanest closet I've ever seen. And I'll admit to it myself. When I was 18, just throw everything in the closet.
I even got the official Bow Wow shoe, man.
I mean, yeah, this guy was huge. Now I feel like Drake was like the big come up from like, TV to music. But back then, early 2000s, it was Bow Wow. At least if you were under the age of like 15.
And you know what's funny? I got this 2 Christmases ago, and I still haven't worn it.
It's crazy. I looked on Instagram just now. He's still pulling in pretty decent numbers here. 4.7 million followers. Looks like he's doing pretty well. Not bad. He's carried on a wonderful career.
My man Lou Will right here, Lewis Williams. B don't want to see me on the basketball court. You know my jump shot's crazy.
Oh, the outfits are so 2000s. I remember this. The big baggy clothing. What happened to that? I guess it's kind of coming back now with like the tighter jeans with the baggier sweaters coming back in now.
Hey, yo, Lou, D, you about to head out to the pool. You know what I mean?
Ooh, gorgeous backyard. I love that. That is beautiful.
We got the jacuzzi right here, the little waterfall. Dion gonna show y'all the bubbles.
Thanks, Dion, for showing us the bubbles. Really needed that one.
We come out here, we chill, man. We relax. Even Precious come out here, she chill, relax. And just look at the golf course, you know what I'm saying?
That's a great plot of land. I like that a lot. I don't like that you could see all like the neighbors from the back. I don't like going on the backyard and like your neighbors are all kind of peering into your backyard too. Never been a fan of that one.
Y'all done seen my whips, y'all done seen my clothes, my sneakers, the crib, y'all done seen everything. So I think it's about that time, you know what I mean, for y'all to say goodbye, but in the meantime. Hey, dang, Dion, look at that girl right there, dog. Look at that girl, D.
Oh, that's a 2000s prank. Never gets old. Imagine if Dion couldn't swim though. Imagine if like that was the joke. And he's just you know, laughing at him. Oh, look at him. Look at doing his dance. Doing Leon dance. He's just, you know, going crazy in the pool. I'm sure he could swim though.
He doing his little dip. Out of here, man. We gone. It's a wrap. We signing off.
There's something magic about this era of like MTV Cribs, the 2000s. I just had such fond memories of turning on Hey Arnold after school, eating a Lunchables, drinking a soda, getting a Snickers bar, just not a care in the world. So with that said, guys, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and until next time.